There are more Slovenians in Cleveland than anywhere in the world outside of Ljubljana, Slovenia. Okay, this is in the upper level of the Slovenian garden. Here we have a little monument dedicated to Professor Metod Clements on July 29, 2004 in recognition of his contributions to the advancement of global peace and unity by joining the youth of many nations together in the form of friendly athletic competition known as the International Children's Game. Cleveland was the first city in the United States to host these games. So that's the monument there. Here's the you can see this is the inside of the upper part of the Slovenian Cultural Garden. Nice area here. It's a bust of Ivan Zorman, poet and composer. Here we have Bishop Braga, the snowshoe priest. He's a missionary to the Ojibwa and Ottawa nations. Here's the bust of Ivan Cankar. The upper level of the Slovenian Cultural Garden here in Cleveland.